Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kesang Ma henen kesengi ong ba ki pulit ki pynngat sau tylli ki mukotduma hakabedei ba ke jingkhynra badang shen ya ki kot kisla jung ki nongbylla bat ke jingkhynra sha sho haki kin hun seng. Habakran sklat pathai khubor hadin ke jingelang ka kin hun menteri usang ma ha ka beningkong ula pensyai ba don work permit hapo kejelan ka benta ki nongbylla henry ki don kam ban penrum kerteng bat katnat labor. Halor ke jepedre kam ya ke inline permit hapo ke jela usang ma ula ong ba ke yeng dor bar thau an kala menjur ya ke rai halor ke ni ke benta bat ya menta kadang up ya ke menjur na ke sarkar pedeng kumjo haba pai sha ke miglai Resident Safety and Security Act ula ong ba ya ke bil ba pha do lat sha ke tenat kampo yeng ke sarkar pedeng ya ke bala pen pai biang haringkat ki jing ai jingmut ban wanra ya katu ka ni ki jing pen kela.
Wherever there have been cases like this, the police has been asked to immediately act and file cases. And as I mentioned to you, 4 cases have been filed.
So indeed,
we will take up, as I said, the matter at the contractors level. But again, I'm reiterating that there's a process to do it. You complain to the government, to the department or the particular labor officer or to the minister concerned, but you cannot go and take the law in your hand and check is what I'm saying. We had taken this issue up. We had we had passed the amended act, and Government of India and the governor at that point did not give the assent. So therefore, yes, we would be following it up and seeing what way we would be able to balance out between the concerns that MHA has raised and yet achieving the objectives that as a state government we would want.